to my countrymen, just to give you the current situation. I am about to land sa gate. Galing ako Dubai. Stop over for it's a long flight. Okay,
ang mga minsang
do not worry.
kamustahan.
And I think this is something to do with the
Mga